Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we dive into the world of online translation jobs with Jensen Localization. With over 18 years of experience in providing localization services, they have become a prominent full-service provider in the industry. To find translation jobs, click on the Vacancies button located on the main page. Here, you'll find all the relevant information, including job requirements and how to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.